Here's one we don't see every day at Unique, especially in classics. 1953 Studebaker 2R6 pickup. Underneath the hood, a little larger engine than this would have been produced with. It has a 289. If you take a look in the still pictures, you're going to see the engine number starts with a P as far as in the stamping. I believe it's a 1964 era. 289. Manual transmission, 3-speed. On the column, go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Notice there was one little, just kind of a little imperfection or kind of a little crack in the paint. I don't even know if I can get it to show up. It's pretty minute. Speaking of paint, according to the paint code, this would have been a Maui blue truck to begin with, so still blue. I don't know if it would be exactly Maui blue, but similar. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that data tag I'm talking about, the stamping on the engine, you'll be able to see the underside, engine bay interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, Studebaker wheel covers, Firestone gum dipped, wide white walls, side windows, and possibly even the front, it looks like a little bit, do have some tint on the glass. So make sure your local and state laws, you know what the percentage is as far as what you can have for darkness of the tint on the windows. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Kind of cool with the sideboards on there. Of course, the Studebaker tailgate. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. We're going to go ahead and start it up, let you hear it run too. But first, let's take a peek down the driver's side. You can see the paint shows well in this one. I haven't really noticed anything for major nicks, dings, scratches. One of those trucks, have some fun, get in and drive it. Take it to your local roll-ins, car cruises, shows. You definitely won't be parked by a bunch of other Studebaker pickups, no doubt about that. Take a little closer look at this interior. A little bit of maintenance recently done on this. Does have a new electric fuel pump and new master cylinder. You can see there's one of the tags. And we'll have the, well, what would have been a VIN number back in 1953, but the serial number of the truck. True vehicle identification numbers didn't come around until later. They're kind of considered serial numbers back there. You can see the interior also. Free of rips, tears, holes, seat, two-tone blue with the white, vinyl bench. Let's go ahead and fire this up. This would have came with the optional climatizer, which was basically their heater setup, Studebakers. Starts easily. Make sure that we're in neutral. All right. It's like a stock gauge cluster. Door closes nicely. Dual exhaust, so nothing too crazy as far as exhaust note or anything over the top. Let's go ahead, pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. So give me a second, let's get this hood open, we'll take a look. All right, let's take a look under the hood. First of all, prop rod, that one stays here. You do need to prop the hood open, not included. There it is. Again, 289, I believe 64 era. Take a look at that stamping. It does look like a Studebaker 289. As you can see, got 4-barrel carb on there. Smooth running engine. (1953) Studebaker 2R6 pickup, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description and it'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1953 Studebaker pickup. Our volts show that they are charging. Gas tank shows almost full. We're doing 30 miles an hour. The oil pressure is 40. And the temperature is just under half on the gauge. It's a really nice looking truck. Restored very well. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry. And we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a 3 on the tree. We have an aftermarket turn signal on the column, which blinks on the turn signal itself, and that does appear to work. To the left, could be a tire pressure. Other than that, it is a smooth ride. We do have a bit of wind noise, which isn't expected in an older vehicle like this in the winter in Minnesota, as it is cold outside. Really good running truck. Not getting any wheel hop or anything like that. Definitely check it out, uniqueclassiccars.com.